Alright, so to use the VLine on the screen while in another audio source, we'll be pressing and holding the Maps button. So first thing, you'll go to whatever source you want to be in. In this case, we're in the FM radio source. And then we'll press and hold Map for 3 seconds. And the VLite will appear. We do have the FM source playing in the background. And then if for any reason you need to go back, you can use the factory UI option here on the VLite. There's also one on the VLine, or you can press and hold Map again for 3 seconds, and it'll take you back. And then whenever you want to listen to the VLine or VLite audio, you'll press Media until you make it to the aux source.